I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was
Vampires eat
over.
people. It's part of the natural food pyramid.
And you saved me.
Trust me,
My
you're gonna be miserable.
they were strong,
The seat's taken.
I can't keep any of the animal blood down. I think I need your help.
Fine. Come on. Giving you what you need. Because blood sharing is kind of personal. Lanterns in the sky. Can you believe that? Japanese lanterns is a symbol of letting go of the past. Well, here's this one. We're not Japanese.